All right, I finished my little 3D printing project. This is the paddle that I printed out on the 3D printer. I had to add some hardware. There's a connector there, and the holes are for some set screws, and there are holes on both sides. I've got set screws in both sides. So, and I've got the keyer hooked up to my radio here. A little Chinese radio transceiver. So let's see if the paddle works here. Looks like the paddle works. I can send Morse code with it. It's going to be a nice little addition to my radio station.